Okay, this is an 8x4 rounded end Anleolife raised bed, 1.5 tall. So we're going to unbox it. Inside packaging, you have your directions, pair of gloves, all your wing nuts, and a little handy screwdriver. That out. As you move it, each section comes in about a 2-foot long section. The rounded edges we'll place in a pile over here. Now your flats come in 2-foot sections. You want to place those in a pile separate.
Go.
Okay, you've got the contents of the package down below: your gloves, your screwdriver, your screws, your wing nuts, and your instruction manual. A couple extra added tools you might consider bringing is a pair of pliers and a drill or an impact with the Phillips head bit on it. It'll just make things go a little quicker. First and foremost, you've got your instructions, and basically one of the most important steps would be to make sure you overlap your pieces in the same manner all the way. For instance, you got this piece. If this piece goes on bottom here, your next piece will go on bottom there, and so forth all the way around, continuing in the same direction. That causes it to lock in better, make it more sturdy. Found that it's a lot easier to go ahead and assemble your sides first in separate pieces, assemble your ends in separate pieces, and then come back and connect it all together. So we're going to get started. We'll start with these 2 pieces. You've got to have everything open. Here we go. Very simple. Screw through, line the holes up. Get your wing nut started. Don't tighten all the way. Hold your place. Get your top and your bottom. Line those up. The rest of your screws will fall in very, very easily after that. Have to edit that out. Getting started. Panel assembled. This is where the pliers come in. Grab hold of the edge of your wing nut. Take the drill. Tighten it. And just work your way down.
Okay, we got those 2 put together. And now he's going to put the ends together.
Well, the ends go on the same. You make sure you overlap in the same direction. One under, one over, one under, one over. Again, you just assemble the ends the same way as you did the others. Start your wing nut, leave it loose. It will help you. Line up your top and your bottom, and the rest of them fall right in. Okay, now we have our two end pieces assembled, our two side pieces assembled. We're going to look at the order in which it goes in. For instance, this piece is on the outside, this piece starts on the inside. So therefore, this piece is on the outside, this one starts on the inside. Using that same logic, this piece should be on the outside, and it's going to connect to your side panel, which will connect on the inside. And there we go. Flip it over. Now we have it right. Outside, inside, outside, inside. When you connect in down here, this piece will be on the outside, this piece will be on the inside. So let's get this put together. This gives you a lot more stability, putting your ends together separately from your sides. If not, this is a wobbly mess. So again, you start, get your top lined up. You don't want to tighten these down yet. You just want to leave them kind of semi-loose. This is where it holds it in place. That way you've got a little bit of play. If not, your holes won't line up as easily, and it becomes a problem. You come down to the bottom, line up your bottom hole, like that. Get your little wing nut loosely attached. Fill the rest of your holes with the wing nuts. Your screws. Pliers, hold the edge of your wing nut, drill, suck it down tight. Screws, 6 more wing nuts, move to the other side. Again, pay attention to your order. Outside, inside, outside. Goes really